In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Floccus. With this app, you'll be able to bookmark any website you want. Okay, so I'm going to open it. So the first thing the app will ask you is how you want to sync all your bookmarks. Normally, I use Google Drive because I don't have an account with all of these platforms. So I'll tap Google Drive and then tap continue. So it's going to ask you to give your profile a name. You can call it anything you want. After that, tap continue. Next, it's going to ask you to log in with your Google account. So tap login with Google. Next, you choose your Google account. For this one, I'll be using click and tap tutorials. I'll scroll down and then tap continue. So if you want your backup file to have a password, then you can tap here to create a password. But normally I don't do that, so I'll just tap continue. I don't change any settings here, so just leave it the way it is and then tap continue. You can read it up if you want to understand what it does. Okay, so you can see the profile has been created. So with this app, you can create folders, and each folder can be used for the different kind of bookmarks you want to keep. So let's say you want to have a folder for tech related stuff, and you can have another bookmark for maybe movies related stuff. So you can just tap this plus button down here, tap folder, and then I'll just call this one tech, save. So after creating this, anything tech related can be saved here. So let me show you how you can save. Alright, for example, this is the YouTube app and this is my channel. So let's say you want to save my channel in your bookmarks. You can tap on these three dots up here, tap share, scroll till you see more, tap on it, and then scroll until you find Floccus bookmark, tap it. Now it's going to ask you to save the bookmark. You can tap here and you see the folder that we created, the tech folder. You can tap on it, and you can have other folders inside this folder as well. Maybe you want to have tech websites and tech YouTube channels. You can do that as well by tapping the plus button, and you specify that, okay, this is YouTube if you want. But then I can just tap save, and that's it. If I head back to the app now, tap here, you can see that the channel has been saved. So if I tap on it, it's going to open up in the app, in the YouTube app. So you can do the same for websites. I'll show you that as well. So this is another website. I think it's a tech website. I'm not really sure. What we need to do now is tap on these three dots up here and then tap share. Next, you search for the Floccus bookmark icon. Tap on it. I'm not really sure if it's a tech website, so I'm not going to choose the tech folder anymore. This time I'll just tap save. If I head back to the app, go back, you can see that the website was saved outside this folder. So it doesn't have any folder. You can create a new folder and put this website in it. I'm going to do that now. I'll call this unknown. I'll tap save. And then I'm going to tap the three dots here, edit, and then I'll change the folder to unknown. You can see it has been moved to the folder. So that's how you use the Floccus app. And every bookmark you save here will be linked to your account, so that all your devices with the same Google account will have access to all the bookmarks you create.